Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning I wanted to continue with the log framework in VA Smalltalk, log4s. And what we did last time was set up one via the initialization file. So you see we put this stanza down here, and I explained all of this in the last screencast. What we're going to do today is create a new logger programmatically, which you could also do here, the same way I've done this. What I'm going to do is do it programmatically just to walk you through that. So what we've got is our standard logger that we've set up here, and it's going to go to the file valog.log. But we also want to have some transcript logging that's going to be on a separate log entirely so that we can send one set of logging to one log and another set of logging to another one. That's kind of the interesting thing you can do. You can set any number of appenders up to a single log. You can also have independent logging streams, pretty much as many as you'd like. So you'd have per application, per part of application, anything you want. So you could separate out where the warnings are coming from. So here what we're going to do is we're going to create a logger called myLogger, and we're going to give it a warning level of all. We're going to set up the same pattern we did in the file-based one. And we're going to make sure it uses the transcript so that we can tell which warnings went to the file and which warnings went to the transcript. So let's go ahead and set that up with this set of code here. So we'll execute that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to send this. Now since we're not specifying a logger, this should go to our default one, which we set up in the ini file, and go out to the log. So let's go ahead and do an execute. And if you look up here in the transcript, you'll see nothing happened. But if we open this file, valog.log, see there it is. So there's our warning in there. Now let's close that, and what we're going to do is grab the logger that I just created, and we're going to send a warning to that. So let's make sure that shows up in the transcript. Execute that. Here it is. Didn't put out a nice space, but you see there it is. There's our warning. Let's open up the log file and make sure it's not there. So there it is. We don't have it there. That's just the one we just sent up here, but here's our one specifically to the transcript log. So you see it's pretty easy to set up separate logging facilities for different parts of the application, different applications, pretty much any granularity you want, and different logging streams, file, transcript, what have you. And you can do this for any number of logs you want to set up. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.